Good morning, dear student, class 7th. Today I will learn next topic of this chapter, chapter 2nd, and in this topic we will learn about some functions in Excel. What is the function of Excel? Excel के कुछ functions के बारे में हम लोग पढ़ेंगे in this topic. There are so many functions are available in the Excel. Function is the ready-made formula of the Excel, and it is the set of formula and used to perform some special calculation with help of the function of the Excel. There are some function available in the Excel, जैसे text function, arithmetical function, logical function, trigonometry function, and shapes is also called a shape and trigonometry, and many more functions available in the MS Excel. There are a function group used to perform many functions, and first of all we will discuss about auto sum function. Auto sum function is used to calculate some value, and auto sum, it is also named by the auto sum, and it is used to calculate sum of the given number. Suppose we have to large a number and we have to calculate at once all the numbers. It will be take orally by time, and just with help of the computer and with help of the Excel we can calculate it in very short time. Just a single click of the mouse, it will be give the result of you. Suppose there is some numbers, and we have to calculate now. The formula is that equal to, we all know that all the formula and function also begin with the equal to sign, equal to sum, and in the parenthesis, this bracket is also called a parenthesis, and parenthesis define the range of your cell, यानी कि कहाँ से और कहाँ तक के सेल्स को सम करना है. As like we are written here A1 to A10. Suppose we are given a सेल रेफरेंस, सेल नंबर दिया हम लोगों ने, A1 से A10 तक के वैल्यू को सम करना है. इन द स्प्रेडशीट वी आर ऑलरेडी डिफाइंड सम नंबर, इनपुट सम नंबर, कुछ नंबर्स को हम लोगों ने लिया, एंड वी हैव टू कैलकुलेट सम. हम लोगों ने यहाँ से और यहाँ तक के वैल्यू को, यहाँ पे वैल्यू ना देके हम लोगों ने सेपरेट रेफरेंस दे दिया A1 to A10. It will be calculate sum of the A1 to A10. Sometime we used to define some range like some value, sum 10, 20, 30. यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने डायरेक्ट नंबर ही दे दिया. It will be calculate some numbers as we are given in the parenthesis. Inside the bracket is called a parenthesis. There are some other function are also available in the auto sum function, and when we will move in the auto sum function, there are some other function also available, and that is called a average, equal to sum, equal to average. Average function are used to calculate the average in the given range. Max function are used to calculate maximum value of the given range. दिए हुए रेंज से मैक्सिमम वैल्यू को फाइंड आउट करना. सेम एज मेन फंक्शन आर आल्सो कॉल्ड मिनिमम फंक्शन, एंड इट इज द सेलेक्ट मिनिमम ऑफ द गिवन रेंज. गिवन रेंज से मिनिमम वैल्यू क्या है, मैक्सिमम वैल्यू क्या है, इट विल बी कैलकुलेट. मैक्स, मीन, एवरेज, सम, product is also group of the auto sum function, and it is used to calculate some specific value like average है, काउंट वैल्यू है, कैसे। नाउ वी विल लर्न अबाउट फंक्शन लाइब्रेरी। Students, we all know that in the insert group there is a function library, and inside the function library there are many more functions are given, and we can use to this function according to your need। जैसे हम लोग की आवश्यकता होगी उसके अकॉर्डिंग हम लोग यूज करेंगे। अब हम लोग एक लॉजिकल फंक्शन के बारे में बात करेंगे, दैट इज कॉल्ड ए इफ फंक्शन। लॉजिकल फंक्शन, logical function, logical function are used to some logical value, logical statement। there is a if function, if function हम लोग यूज करेंगे, and what is the result, how it will be used, and what will be the result of the if function। जैसे sometime we have to take a condition there, if the students mark is more than 80, यदि स्टूडेंट्स के मार्क 80 से एबव हैं, it will be grade A, otherwise grade B। तो how can this formula, if हम लोग वैल्यू को कंपेयर करेंगे किसी सेल के एड्रेस से, सपोज A1 में है हम लोगों का वैल्यू रखा हुआ, if A1 is greater than 80, यदि A1 का वैल्यू 80 से एबव है, प्रिंट ग्रेड A, otherwise ग्रेड B, ग्रेड B। जैसे हम लोगों ने एक फार्मूला लिखा इफ कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग, इफ A1 इज ग्रेटर देन 80, यदि वैल्यू रखा हुआ है A1 का वैल्यू 80 से एबव होता है, then it will be return grade A, otherwise यदि ऐसा नहीं है, if it is not, then it will be return grade B। there are only two condition। first condition is either student mark is more than 80, either student's mark is not more than 80, and it will be a result that is called a grade B। if condition is also used for comparing two value, and it is a logical expression। let's see some more example। जैसे LCM, LCM क्या है, least common। how to calculate LCM of the given range of the cell। कुछ वैल्यू दिए गए हैं, उस वैल्यू से LCM कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे। LCM, students, you have already learned and you have already know about in mathematics LCM, least common multiple। LCM को बोलते हैं हम लोग फुल फॉर्म में लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल। लीस्ट कॉमन मल्टीपल हम लोग कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे, बहुत इजी है। it is a given a number, suppose there is a sheet and you have types of numbers, and you have to find some value and LCM of this given value। suppose there is a given number, and 72, suppose take any number, suppose we have taken some numbers and we have to calculate LCM। go in the function library, click on the formula tab in the function library, click on the math and trick button, a menu will be appear, and select the LCM। LCM equal to LCM in given range, the function argument dialog box will appear on the screen in the number 1, number 2, number 3 respectively। give the number and click the enter LCM गिव अ रेंज, एक रेंज दिया हम लोगों ने. Okay boys, there are given function argument dialog box will appear on the screen in number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4 text boxes A1, A2, A3, A4 respectively. It will be display. Click on the OK button. OK button पे click करेंगे. The result will be display on the A5 cell. Next option is greatest common GCD. Suppose we have to calculate GCD. The full form of GCD is equal to greatest common division. How it will be calculated? As like LCM, type your number in the sheet. Suppose there is an Excel sheet and you have to type some number. हम लोगों ने कुछ नंबर ले लिया 36. Suppose take any number 36, 12, 18 and 72. Suppose there is a given some number and we have to find greatest common division. Click on enter the number in the worksheet as shown in the figure. Select the cell you want to display the GCD. उस सेल को सेलेक्ट करेंगे जिसमें हम लोग वैल्यू कैलकुलेट करना चाहते हैं. क्लिक ऑन दी फार्मूला टैब. सेम लाइक LCM फार्मूला टैब में फंक्शन लाइब्रेरी ग्रुप में जाएंगे एंड मैथ एंड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री ऑप्शन को सेलेक्ट करेंगे. अ मेन्यू विल बी अपीयर GCD फ्रॉम द मेन्यू. सेलेक्ट दी GCD फ्रॉम द मेन्यू. Click the function argument. Function argument income the form and there is given number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4 as like and type your numbers or select the range of the cell. Click on the cell. It will be automatic. Take that number. Just like click first number, second number, third number, fourth number and click on the OK button. The GCD greatest common division will be found and it will be returned a value that is possible. Entering formula using the insert function. There is a insert function are used to insert formula inside. Suppose we have to write some insert function. Entering the formula. Click on the cell in which you want to insert a formula. On the formula bar, click on the insert function. Formula bar से insert function पे जाएंगे. Insert function dialog box will appear on the screen. In R select category box, select the category or function wish you to select the insert function. Select a function you wish to use. Click on the OK and function argument will be displayed. Students, that's why it is the complete your chapter 2nd and in the last topic we are learning about how to calculate LCM, GCD and how to use function and what is the function. Okay, thanks all of you. We will meet in next session.